So over here, I am in the web dashboard of AnyDesk, and let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and delete out your AnyDesk account so that you can maintain some privacy. So if you want to really delete it and be absolutely sure that you want to delete it before you do so, and then go around over here onto your user ID, click around over here, and then go to my profile. So here you can see that options is here. So if you were to go ahead and click on it, then delete user account is an option. So here it gives you a warning and says after deletion, your license cannot be accessed anymore, and this process can only be reversed in the next 60 days. So you have to check right here and then press the delete button to go ahead and completely delete out your account. So remember, as it says, you can only go ahead and then re-register using the same email ID only after next 60 days. You can with other email addresses, but this user account will be gone for good. And that is simply the process of deleting out your AnyDesk account as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.